Natural gas has collapsed -6.23% to $3.01, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Friday, July 10th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.81% at $7,543.64. Investor sentiment is being shaped by after the latest RE stock rally, investors face a reality check, Morningstar. NASDAQ 100 is up plus 1.62%, trading at $29,727. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as semiconductors sell off, oil prices jump, Yahoo Finance. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.27% at $52,487. Equity markets are responding to reports that this earnings season is the stock market's biggest test, barons. DAX dipped minus 1.36% to $25,118. The move follows reports that oil prices opened lower as OPEC boosted production and traffic through the Strait of Hormuz resumed. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,472, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.70% to $631.48. Equity markets are responding to reports that Zuckerberg's insane RE spending could become a windfall if Meta copies SpaceX's playbook, 24/7 Wall St. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.71% to 1,003.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance Q1 results, date, time, dividend news, earnings call schedule and more, NDTV profit. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. ExxonMobil is down minus 2.66%, trading at $137.37. Equity markets are responding to reports that Exxon signals Q2 profit windfall as higher oil prices boost bottom line. Downstream refinery margins are the swing factor in any quarter where oil prices are range-bound. The low-carbon energy investment is modest relative to peers. Watch for any strategy update that changes the capital allocation mix. Goldman Sachs climbed plus 2.55% to $1,055.86. Equity markets are responding to reports that trading surge, helped by SpaceX IPO, seen lifting Wall St. Bank's second quarter earnings. Investment banking fee recovery is the core thesis. The M&A and IPO pipeline is the most active since 2021. Trading revenues remain elevated given rate and FX volatility. Any large IB mandate announcement would be a direct catalyst. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices opened lower as OPEC boosted production and traffic through the Strait of Hormuz resumed. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that this earnings season is the stock market's biggest test, barons. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $76.04 per barrel, down 2.54% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as semiconductors sell off, oil prices jump, Yahoo Finance. WTI crude dropped sharply to $71.81 per barrel, down 2.33% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as semiconductors sell off, oil prices jump, Yahoo Finance. Natural gas plunged to $3.01, down 6.23% on the session. The move follows reports that oil prices opened lower as OPEC boosted production and traffic through the Strait of Hormuz resumed. Gold climbed to $4,132.60 per troy ounce, up 1.52% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that a $1,000 gold rally. Why analysts are repricing safe havens, 24/7 Wall St. Let us give you our near-term view on natural gas. The technical picture for natural gas has deteriorated. The $2.83 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.27% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.42% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 162.54, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.